It gives me movement, shine and form that I don't get from any other tool. When I want form, longevity, and that really beautiful finish on the hair, that's when I go for my classic curl tong.
Do a super lazy boho beach hair, or I could also press that curl in and create a real red carpet Hollywood glam wave.
I'd pick up my classic curl tong if I'm looking to create that Hollywood wave but with movement. It was one of the first techniques I ever learned. It's that sort of real classic Hollywood wave that I absolutely love. Classic curl tong is perfect for that client that wants real form, real movement.
The ultrazone technology, it makes me confident that the curl and the style is going to last throughout the day, which is really important on set or in the salon.
I just think that it gives you this incredible setting power because it's heating the hair consistently, and that means that the hair is going to last a long time in the style you've created.